In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up TikTok app, and after that tap right here to go to your TikTok profile. If you would like to unfollow certain people, you can easily do so manually, so just hit right here where it says following. It will show you all users whom you are currently following, and then let's say if you would like to unfollow some user, you can just hit add this following button next to it. So that's how we can easily unfollow several users one by one. However, if you got here thousands of followings, it could be hard for you to do so manually, and then you may use another method. First off, we need to head over to our TikTok profile page and then tap right here at these three lines. After that, tap at Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down until you find Report a Problem. On the next step, we need to tap at Account and Profile, then select Editing Profile. On this page, select Other, and then you will be taken right here. There we need to scroll down a bit and select Need More Help. After that, we'll be taken to that page where we need to describe our problem. You can just write down here something like, please help me to unfollow everyone from my TikTok profile that I follow a lot of people and I can't unfollow everyone manually. So please help me. Thanks. Then we need to check if everything is correct, and once it is done, we can just hit right here at Submit to send this support ticket to TikTok support team, and after a day, maybe 2 days, they should help you to solve your issue, and they should unfollow you from everyone at once. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.